Okay, wanted to thank everyone for coming out today, and we've had a beautiful day for a show. We're going to give the awards away here in about 30 seconds. I wanted to thank all of our helpers today. Daniel for the music here. He volunteers his time. We really appreciate that. We also had Amy McIlvain donated for trophies. Berkey's Trophies made trophies, a donated trophy. We also had the Barry Romick Foundation, a big donor, and we've had many volunteers. And I want to thank my wife Renee. She's really been a big help getting things done, and of course Rob, the director here. Did you want to say anything, Rob? You want to say anything before we get started? Okay. Okay. Well, with that, we're going to start. We're going to go through all the plaques first, the small plaques. So even if we pass your category, stick around because we've got trophies and a Director's Choice Award also. Okay. Thank you. Sure. Okay, here we go. And as Daniel tells me, keep the mic closer to my face. So here we go. We'll start with the plaques first. The first plaque, and really the plaques are sort of done by decades to an extent, and there's some other things in there I'll tell you about. But plaque number 1 goes to vehicle number 103, a 1937 Ford Humpback, Larry from Elyria. Okay, plaque number 2 goes to Jeff Price, a 1941 Willys. Plaque number 3 goes to vehicle 26. It's a 36 Plymouth Coupe owned by Tom and Marilyn Berger, it looks like. Okay, plaque number 4 goes to vehicle number 3, a 1948 Pontiac owned by Gene Barnes of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 5 goes to vehicle 25. It's a 1958 Corvette owned by Dennis McCarter of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 6 goes to vehicle 68, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air Chet Fry Creston. Okay, plaque number 7 goes to vehicle 104, a 1968 Olds 442 owned by Louis Carter. Number 8 goes to vehicle 19, a 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone owned by Gary Still of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 9 goes to vehicle number 115, a 1966 Chevelle owned by Steve and Debbie Pettijohn of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 10 goes to vehicle number 14, a 1968 Plymouth owned by Roger of North Lawrence. Plaque number 11 goes to vehicle 101, and that is a 1972 Javelin SST owned by Gloria Doty and Lori Smith of Wooster. Plaque number 12 goes to vehicle number 11, a 1972 Chevelle owned by Frank Blau of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 13 goes to vehicle number 79. It's a 72 Pontiac Le Mans. No owner name here, but they're from Wooster. Plaque number 14 goes to vehicle number 10, and it's a 71 Plymouth Duster owned by Marvin of Lakeville. Plaque number 15 is vehicle number 30 owned by Terry Beck. It's a 1986 Camaro, and Terry Beck is from Wooster. Plaque number 16 goes to vehicle number 120, and that is a 1989 Mercury Grand Marquis, and that's owned by Greg Lance of Oroville. Okay, plaque number 17 goes to vehicle number 9. It's a 1999 Ford Mustang owned by Gary Hirschberger of Oroville. Okay, plaque number 18 goes to vehicle number 61. It's a 2023 Hellcat Challenger, and it's owned by Marlon Questel. Okay, plaque number 19 is vehicle 92. It's a 2022 Shelby GT 500. 22 Shelby GT. Plaque number 20 is vehicle number 4, a 2016 Shelby GT 350, Russ Franks of Wooster. Okay, plaque number 21 is vehicle number 69. It's a 2017 Roush Ken Brown. Is our plaque number 22, but it is car number 55, and that is 1961 Corvair. Okay, plaque number 23 goes to vehicle number 91, and it is Chris Curtis Smithville, and it is a fire truck. The red one over there, the old red one. We'll keep moving here. Next is plaque number 24. It goes to vehicle 63, and it's a 1949 Chevy truck from Apple Creek. No name, but 1949 Chevy truck. Okay, plaque number 25 goes to vehicle number 18. It's a 1953 Ford F100. Vehicle number 18. Plaque number 26 goes to a number 67. It's a 2024 Nissan Z. Daniel. Okay, we're going to move on to trophies, and then we'll move on to Director's Choice and Best of Show. This trophy is oldest car farthest driven, and there were no ties on ages, so the oldest car that we have today is 1930 Ford Model A, Craig Curtis of Wooster. Number 2 is goes to best car number 29, Tom Green 59 Chrysler New Yorker. Trophy number 3 goes to best truck. Okay, can we have vehicle number 55 come up, a 61 Corvette, for this plaque for him, for them then. So best truck is going to be a vehicle number 55. All right, so that was a good trade. Okay. Okay, so that's great. We're going to award to this one, the next one on the list, to a 1990 GMC Safari. It's vehicle number 70. So vehicle number 70. Okay, now we're going to move to the best Jeep, and the best Jeep is number 51, a 2010 Wrangler, owned by, looks like Gary of Alliance. Okay. Jeeps, we had a sponsor donated, likes Jeeps, donated the Big Duck Award for the Jeep. So the winner of the Big Duck Award is Jeep number 28, a 2022 Jeep Gladiator, Blaine Miller. Okay, next we'll do best motorcycle. And we didn't have any two-wheel versions here today, but we had a three-wheel version that's an auto cycle, so it's pretty close. That is vehicle number 93. It's a 2023 Slingshot, owned by Brian. Okay, next we'll do Director's Choice, and that is a 1955 Oldsmobile Holiday, owned by Tim Dilliard, vehicle number 105. Okay, and finally we made it to Best of Show. Vehicle number 90, a 1961 Corvette, owned by Louis D. of Valley City. Once again, thanks for coming out for that. We're going to do the 50-50, and then we'll do the raffle. And I wanted to say that we really appreciate you coming out and supporting the ice arena today.